Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana. Did you ever see something written on a chalkboard or a whiteboard or even on the wall that you wish you could just get into a Word document? Brian Norton, our Director of Assistive Technology, is going to show us an app called Office Lens that does just that.
Hi, my name is Brian Norton, and I'm the Director of Assistive Technology here at Easterseals Crossroads, and I'm super excited today to tell you about a scanning app for your iPad, your Android, your Windows phone that will allow you to be able to take a picture of something. It could be a whiteboard, it could be a document, it could be a photo, and it'll send it directly to one of your Microsoft accounts. And so that could be OneDrive, it could be OneNote, you can send it directly to PowerPoint, Word, and other places as well. And so we're going to come over to my iPad and we're going to take a look. And so the app we're going to talk about today is called Office Lens. And if you are an Evernote user, you know that Evernote on a lot of your mobile devices has a scanning option called Scannable. And that Scannable app is really useful to capture information very quickly and send it directly into your Evernote account. Well, Office Lens will do the very same thing to your Microsoft connected services like OneNote, which is an Evernote-like application, or a OneDrive, which is a lot like Dropbox and other kinds of places. It's cloud storage sites. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Office Lens. This is what it looks like over here. And so I'll go ahead and click on that and open it up. And really what you see is just kind of a camera looking type of app. And I put a document out here in front of us. And so I'll go ahead and put that up there. I'm also going to then change. I've got a couple of different setting options. If I'm taking a picture of a business card, I can set it up to look at business cards, have a photo option, have a document option, but then also a whiteboard option as well. I'm going to go to Photo, and I'm going to click on my camera button, and it's going to go ahead and take a very quick picture. I have the opportunity to crop it if I want to by clicking on the button over here, so I can make myself get exactly what I want out of here so I don't catch a bunch of the other stuff. And when I'm done, I just hit the Done button, and it's going to give me an option to save it to my other connected services. And so again, I can send it directly into PowerPoint, directly into Word, into OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, a bunch of different connected services for myself. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and save it to OneNote, and I get the option to be able to give it a title, and I'll just put Picture of Brochure, and I'll go ahead and say Save. And then I'll say Close. And then what will happen, I'm going to go ahead and close out of here, and then I can go over into my OneNote app, and again, I will let it sync. Once it's done syncing, I can go back to my recent notes. And what I'll get is, once that syncs for me again, I'll get my document for myself. So I've been able to take a picture and have it scan it in and then have it save it for me. I guess here it is now. It's a picture of brochure. And so this is what it captured for me. So it's a very quick way to be able to capture information and send it to, again, one of your Microsoft connected services, whether that's an Office program, OneNote, or OneDrive, and be able to capture that information very quickly. And so that's Office Lens for you. Very simple to use and very useful.
So there's a handy way to capture images or text or whatever you need and pop it right into your Office document. That's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.